Tethered or untethered EV charger? Which one should you opt for? This is one of the most talked about questions in the EV world, and trust me, everyone's got an opinion. Some say untethered is the only smart choice because it's flexible. Others swear by tethered for its simplicity and its convenience. Here's the truth. There is only one right answer. The best choice is the one that works for your situation. Hi, and welcome back to the GoE YouTube channel. I'm Amy, and in this video, we'll break down what really separates tethered from untethered chargers. Looks, costs, compatibility, and a few smart features you probably didn't know existed. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. A tethered charger comes with a built-in cable. They are all about convenience and simplicity. Perfect for if you intend to keep charging the same car at the same location. Here's why people love them. The cable is always attached, ready whenever you want to use it. There is no need to carry a cable around. There is less of a chance of a connector mismatch, and it gives you this familiar petrol pump experience. The downsides: you are less flexible if you've got more than one car. You can't swap the cable for another connector type. The cable can clutter up the look of your wall, and if it wears out, you can't just replace it. Now, an untethered charger is the opposite. No fixed cable, just a socket. You can bring your own lead, plug it in, and connect it to your car. It's all about flexibility. Why people love them. You're very flexible. It's ideal for households with multiple cars. It works with Type 1 and Type 2 connectors. You can replace the cable without replacing the charger. You can lock the cable via the app and use it like a tethered one, and it has a cleaner, more minimalist look. And the disadvantages: you'll need to buy a separate cable, one more step every time before you plug your car in, and if you forget to lock your cable, someone could walk away with it. So, as you can see, untethered chargers are the clear winners when it comes to flexibility. But let's be honest, there's more to a Wallbox than just practicality. If you want your garage or driveway to blend in, untethered chargers win on looks. Unplug the cable and it's just a neat, clean box on the wall. Perfect if your parking space faces the street. Tethered chargers can look a bit more techy, with the cable always on show, unless of course the design gets it right. Take our GoE Charger Core, looking clean and stylish with its neatly fixed Type 2 cable and dark housing. So yes, a tethered charger can look good. Now, let's talk money. The price difference isn't huge. Tethered versions might cost about 20 to 70 euros more, but once you buy a separate cable for an untethered setup, you're more or less even. So the real deciding factor isn't price, it's how you use your charger every day. Here's a thought. Mobile versus stationary matters more than tethered versus untethered. Mobile chargers, like the GoE Charger Gemini Flex series, are usually untethered. Perfect if you want to take it with you or store the cable separately or charge it at another location. Stationary chargers, like the GoE Charger Gemini 2.0, can be tethered or untethered. There's no fixed rule. Wherever you install it, mount it within easy reach of your parking spot. Choose the right cable length, especially for tethered models, and if it's going outside, make sure it's weather rated. Our Gemini series is IP65, while the GoE Core is IP66, built to handle almost anything. And of course, always get a certified electrician to check your setup before installation. Safety-wise, both types are equally secure. What really matters is the charger's build quality, smart protections, and smart features such as app control, cable locking via app, RFID access, PV surplus charging, or dynamic energy tariffs. So choose the user experience you want, because the safety's in the charger, not the cable type. All right. Let me summarize which cases require which charger. I recommend choosing an untethered charger if you have multiple electric cars or share charging with family or guests, you already own a charging cable, or you care about minimalist, clean design. Choose a tethered charger if you charge the same car in the same spot every day, you want maximum convenience, especially outdoors or in bad weather, or if you don't want to think about cables ever again. And here's a little secret. With the GoE Charger Gemini Flex, you can actually get the best of both worlds. The app lets you lock your cable in place even after charging, so your untethered charger behaves just like a tethered one. Keep one cable plugged in at home and another in your boot for public charging, you're sorted. That's real flexibility and convenience. So, which one's better? Neither. They just fit different lifestyles. If you love simplicity, go tethered. If you love versatility, go untethered. And if you want both, well, that's where GoE comes in. Thanks for watching, guys, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Are you team tethered or team untethered? See you in the next one, and happy charging.